Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Antique Scissors is probably one of the most fascinating and intricate collectibles you can find, offering a unique blend of history, artistry, and functionality. From their elegant designs to the stories they whisper of bygone eras, these aren't just tools, they're captivating pieces of the past waiting to be rediscovered and appreciated. Today, we'll delve into the world of antique scissors, exploring what makes them special, how to identify genuine pieces, and what to look for when adding these treasures to your collection. Number 5. Vintage Embroidery Scissors Kit. It features an elegant and delicate design, with intricate floral patterns engraved on the handles. This unique kit is a sophisticated addition to any sewing collection. This makes a wonderful gift for fashion designers, moms, grandmothers, or anyone who loves to sew. It's also a great addition to your own collection. The kit includes embroidery scissors, a thread cutter, thimbles, needles, a bodkin, and a winding board, all neatly organized in a wooden box. Everything you need for a project is right here. Made of high-quality stainless steel and finished with retro technology, it's smooth, beautiful, durable, and resistant to rust and deformation. The scissors are sharp and effortlessly cut various materials. It's perfect for beginners and advanced crafters alike. Use it for cross-stitch, embroidery, quilting, tailoring, the possibilities are endless. What we like? This gorgeous kit includes everything you need for your next sewing project, from scissors and needles to thimbles and a storage box. If you're looking for a beautiful and functional vintage-inspired set, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for crafters who appreciate both style and practicality. What people say? Good quality, very sharp. I bought this as a keepsake and to use. The scissors are great, very sharp and small enough to use in cutting thread and material in tight and small areas such as bows. The tools are not cheaply made and stay in their spots in box nicely. Number 4. Vintage Craft Scissors. These aren't your average scissors. They're a stylish and functional tool perfect for a variety of crafting needs. From sewing and embroidery to scrapbooking and paper crafts, they excel at any task. It's the ultimate all-in-one crafting companion. Made from high-quality stainless steel with titanium plating, they offer exceptional durability and sharpness. You'll appreciate the precision and ease of use. At 5 inches, it's the ideal size for portability and comfortable handling. Take it with you wherever your crafting adventures lead. Surprise a loved one, or treat yourself. It makes a thoughtful present for any crafter or DIY enthusiast. Your purchase includes 1 pair of retro craft scissors. Get ready to unleash your creativity. What we like? These scissors boast a sleek titanium finish and incredibly sharp blades for precise cuts. If you need a reliable pair of scissors for various crafting tasks, and appreciate a good quality tool, this is a great option. Their compact size makes them perfect for on-the-go crafting. What people say? I chose titanium scissors because it's naturally antimicrobial, but another benefit is they're very durable. These scissors fit nicely in my smallish hands and trim my embroidery floss ends very neatly. These scissors are sharp and just the right size. They make a wonderful addition to my collection. Number 3. BIHRTC Vintage Scissors. These aren't just scissors, they're a beautiful addition to your crafting supplies. Made of high-quality stainless steel, they're built to last. Notice the comfortable zinc alloy handle, elegantly designed with a flower pattern. It's both beautiful and easy to use. It boasts exceptional sharpness, making intricate work a breeze. They're perfect for delicate tasks. These scissors are a statement piece. Their beauty makes them an ideal gift for any crafter. Use them for sewing, scrapbooking, embroidery, and more. They're perfect for threads, floss, and lightweight materials. Remember, these are best suited for fine materials, not heavy fabrics or yarn. Always keep them out of reach of children. What we like? Made from high-quality stainless steel with a comfortable zinc alloy handle, these scissors are built to last. If you value both aesthetics and functionality in your tools, these are for you. They're perfect for delicate crafting tasks and add a touch of elegance to your workspace. What people say? They're very pretty and they work very well for my embroidery. They cut threads beautifully and the tips are very sharp, a feature that is very important for removing stitches. They're super sharp, perfect for small cutting tasks, and the vintage design on the handle is just beautiful. Love the gorgeous design, looks like Art Nouveau design to me. A nice substantial feel heft with good-sized finger holds making them easy on the hands. About 1.25-inch blade which is enough to snip fabric or use as embroidery scissors. Very sharp and pointed, cut very well. Small enough, they are very portable. Number 2. BIHRTC Vintage Scissors. These vintage-style scissors are perfect for a variety of uses. They're made from high-quality materials for long-lasting sharpness and durability. The blades are crafted from hardened stainless steel and alloy for exceptional sharpness. It makes them ideal for intricate work. The alloy handles provide a comfortable and secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. You'll appreciate the ergonomic design. These scissors are perfect for embroidery, sewing, crafting, and more. They're a truly multi-purpose tool for all your creative needs. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These scissors make an ideal present for friends who enjoy sewing or DIY projects. They're both beautiful and practical. These are approximately 4.5 by 2.2 by 0.2 centimeters, and have a beautiful copper color. They're the perfect size for any project. What we like? These scissors are made with high-quality stainless steel and have a comfortable alloy handle. If you are looking for durable and comfortable scissors for various tasks, this is a great option. They're versatile enough for a variety of crafting needs. What people say? Very sharp and great for all kinds of crafters. Will cut through thicker yarns too. The blades are very sharp and cut the yarn evenly and cleanly with no pulling or raveling like my general scissors do. They are comfortable and easy to cut with, be it you using them to cut thread on your sewing machine or yarn or cotton crochet thread. They have a nice sharp blade. Number 1. BIHRTC Sewing Scissors. These aren't just scissors, they're a beautiful and functional tool for all your crafting needs. The durable design ensures they'll last, providing you with precision cuts for years to come. Made from high-quality alloy steel with a hardened treatment, they boast exceptional sharpness and abrasion resistance. You'll appreciate the smooth, effortless cutting action. The comfortable zinc alloy handle features an exquisite flower pattern, making them as pleasing to the eye as they are to use. They're a lovely addition to any sewing kit. These scissors are ideal for threads, floss, and envelopes. Their pointed edge and sharp blades make quick work of even the finest materials. They're perfect for embroidery and other detailed projects. Give the gift of precision and style. These beautiful scissors make a thoughtful present for any crafter or DIY enthusiast. They're both practical and decorative. Remember, these are best suited for delicate materials. Avoid using them on heavy yarn or thick fabrics. Always keep them out of reach of children. What we like? Get 2 pairs of these beautifully designed scissors for double the crafting power. If you frequently need scissors for your projects or want to have a backup pair, this is a great value. The elegant design makes them a lovely addition to any craft station. What people say? Lightweight, very sharp, been using these a lot, they are still sharp as the first time using them. The tips get into small spaces and clip the thread. Very well made. These scissors have the cutest design and cut perfectly. Not only beautiful to look at, but they are also sharp and simple. You do not have to use the back of the blades but can cut floss at the tip of the blades. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.